In today's lecture we ain't going to discuss about two major topics, that is
Q. How does anxiety grow?
And
Q. What are the treatments of anxiety?
welcome to all our dear online learners on your free psychology class, in which we learn about different types of psychological quotes, studies, results and disorders. Subscribe to know more. This is the second part of anxiety lecture. Please, before starting this video, make sure you watch the first part. In today's world, anxiety is a very common problem, and almost everyone is suffering from anxiety. That's why we think to provide you valuable information about anxiety. In today's lecture we ain't going to discuss about two major topics, that is
Q. How does anxiety grow?
And
Q. What are the treatments of anxiety?
And in this lecture we also give the answer of the question that I asked you in previous video.
Do you think anxiety is helpful for us?
Let's start the discussion by giving you the answer of previous video question.
In small doses, anxiety is very helpful. It protects us from danger and focuses our attention on problem.
Anxiety is good, as well as very bad for our health, the dark side of anxiety.
When anxiety is too severe, or occurs too frequently, it can become debilitating.
So, if you come to know that you get anxious very frequently, then you should have to look toward the treatment of anxiety. And the good news is, in this video I will also going to explain about anxiety treatment. Now, let me move towards our today's topic. How does anxiety grow?
Anxiety drives people to avoid the things that scares them. When a scary thing is avoided, there is an immediate but short-lived sense of relief. However, the next time a similar threat arises, it feels even scarier. This creates a harmful cycle of avoidance and worsening anxiety.
The explanation was given on how does anxiety grow. But if we look closer on this explanation, then we came to know that the growth of anxiety is basically based on a cyclic process of avoidance of fear. For example, if you have a fear of giving speeches, you always tend to avoid this thing that makes you scare, then you will get temporary relief from anxiety. However, the next time a similar threat arises, it feels even more scare and creates a harmful cycle of avoidance and worsening anxiety. I hope you easily understand about how does anxiety grow. But if you get any problem regarding the lecture, feel free to comment your questions or problems. Now, let's move towards our next topic, that is, what are the treatments of anxiety? There are mainly 4 different types of anxiety treatments, which all are linked together with each other. These treatments are:
First, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. Second, exposure therapy. Third, relaxation skills. Fourth, medication.
Now, try to make a close focus towards these treatments that I am going to explain.
Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is a very effective treatment for anxiety. During CBT, the unhealthy thinking patterns that create anxiety are identified and challenged. Oftentimes, CBT will also include components of exposure therapy and relaxation skills.
Now, we discuss about second therapy.
Exposure therapy. During exposure therapy, the therapist and their client creates a plan to gradually face anxiety-producing situations, thus breaking the cycle of avoidance. With enough exposure, the anxiety loses its power, and the symptoms diminished.
Now, I explain the third treatment of anxiety.
Relaxation skills. Various techniques, such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and mindfulness, provide immediate relief from the symptoms of anxiety. With practice, relaxation skills will become a powerful way to manage anxiety in the moment.
Now we discuss about fourth and the last treatment of anxiety.
Medication. Medication can help control the uncomfortable symptoms of anxiety. However, Because medication does not fix the underlying problems of anxiety, it is typically used in conjunction with therapy. The need for medication varies greatly, case by case.
A note for you, if you find it difficult, please repeat the lecture again, because I always try to explain everything in a very easy and simple manner. Here we are ending today's video, but if you have any question or problem regarding this lecture, please write it down in comments section. Take care, and don't get anxious about anything. Great things take time. Love you all, my dear subscribers. Smiling face with heart eyes.